Is Clayton Homes worth it? We did not test one, buy one, or visit a lot. We read 514 owner reviews across the Better Business Bureau, PissedConsumer, and Reddit, and organized what they actually say. Here is what we found. Clayton is one of the biggest manufactured home builders in the country, and it sells through multiple tiers. Owners say entry lines carry noticeably lower grade cabinets and fixtures than the upper ones. Same badge, very different house. The quality picture is mixed, and the complaints are specific. Across 514 reviews, build defects and finish quality was the second largest category, with 28 reports. Here is how the complaints actually break down. Installation and foundation work is the biggest bucket at 31 reports, ahead of build defects at 28 and warranty follow-through at 24. It is not all bad, and a one-sided page would be dishonest. Owners consistently praise value at the mid and upper tiers, durability when the home is properly set, and low running costs. Against Champion, the price band looks comparable. Deer Valley sits higher, and owners name it as a step up. But the thing owners repeat most is that the dealer and the setup crew matter more than the badge. So here is the verdict. Product quality 3, price transparency 3, buying experience 3, warranty and support 2, complaint severity 4. That averages 3.0 out of 10. One last thing, and it matters. We could not verify Trustpilot or Consumer Affairs figures, official corporate facts, current pricing, or lead times. Those gaps are real, and we are naming them. The honest read is that the product can work, but the process is where people get burned. The dealer and the installer matter as much as the home. Full breakdown and every source is in the article linked below.